everyone, this is ABC and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we will be doing an unboxing. But before we do that, if this is the first time watching my video or visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. I hope you like it, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So today, again, this is an unboxing. I purchased this item. I've been wanting to have this for myself. It's just that I think I wouldn't have time to use it. So this time around, it's a perfect time to purchase this item. It's on sale. I purchased this on sale. And at the same time, this will gonna keep my sanity. So, guess what it is? Well, syempre nakita nyo naman na yung title. It is a portable sewing machine. So, ayan guys, sinanggal ko na siya sa original plastic niya. Pero nakaano pa siya, bubble wrap. I haven't removed it yet from the bubble wrap. It was delivered before the typhoon hits Manila. And hindi ko ba talaga siya na-open kasi after the typhoon, that was Friday, diba? Tama ba? Friday yun natapos. We don't have power supply here. And I'm just grateful that my friend, just few blocks away here, other barangay na kasi yun. Hindi, same barangay ata kami. Tama ba? Or different street lang? Tama ba, Chel? Yung friend ko, shout out to my friend Rochelle, who's very generous, who always, adopt me whenever we don't have Wi-Fi, whenever we don't have power supply. Dun muna ako for like 2 to 3 days ako nagstay doon until Sunday. Kasi Sunday bumalik na yung aming power supply. So right now, as I'm recording this, we don't have internet connection again. So hopefully, mamaya-maya makapag-upload na ako nito. Kasi wala na naman kaming Wi-Fi. So ayun na nga, ang dami-dami ko ng kwento. So it's all gonna be, I think, I have to divide it into 2 vlogs na. So the other kwento, next vlog na lang. Pero for the meantime, dito na tayo. Tuloy na natin to guys. I-unbox na natin. Ayan. I-unbox na natin itong portable sewing machine that I have. And I'm excited to use it. Ito. Pag-gugupitin muna natin ang kanyang bubble wrap. So, I forget how much it is. Ilalagay ko na lang dyan sa description box. And, dito sa gilid, lalagay ko na lang kung magkano to. I have to take a screenshot of my purchase from Shopee. So, salamat Shopee. I have now this portable sewing machine. Ayan. I've used this na pala. Na-try ko na palang gumamit ng ganito. Tinuruan ako ni Irish. Hi friend, Manay. I hope you're okay, Manay. Nasa Manila area pala to si Manay Irish. Guys, sa totoo lang, hindi talaga ako nag-check ng Facebook masyado, ng Messenger. Because it's kinda affecting me too much. Parang there's so much to do but you can't do anything. Alam mo yun? Yun. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-check. So, ayun lang. Medyo nakatiklop yung kanyang manual. Dapat hindi siya nakatiklop. But anywho, ano pa naman, readable pa naman, and that's okay. So, this is operation instruction of the sewing machine. So, andito yung instruction. Buti naman. Kasi limot ko talaga kung paano siya ino-operate. So, I have to check. Ito yung kanyang manual. This is the manual. Oh, ayan. This is the box. This is how it looks like. Ayan. Very secured naman. Kaya pala hindi naman ganun kakapal yung kanyang bubble wrap because it has styro inside naman pala. Which is good. Ayan. Kasi super safe yung item. Oh, look at this. Oops. Oops. There you go. Ayan. Naka-styro naman siya on the side. Kaya it's very safe. Let me put it here. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang charger ba to? I don't know. Oh, okay. So, ito siya. Let's put it here. This, ayan, sealed naman siya and everything. Ayan. Sealed naman siya. Naka-plastic pa. Diba? So, it doesn't have a free thread. Ayan, meron siyang free thread. Ayun, kasi wala rin akong sinulid dito, guys. So, ayun, meron naman siyang sinulid. Thread sinulid. Yun na nga yun, diba? Karayom, I mean, the needle. Ayan, nandito naman siya. And this is the, I think, this is the parang pedal. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Bakit din? Ayun, ito yung charger. I'm searching for the charger. So, it's here. This is the charger. Medyo ano siya. It needs a plug. Ganoon naman ako sa plug and adapter. It needs an adapter. So, let me open this. Ayun, buksan na natin siya. Ayan. O, diba? Tada! Ayan. O, meron siyang parang sample na cloth where you can practice. So, let's try this na, guys. I-try na natin. Wait lang. Adjust ko lang yung ating camera so you can see it. Hold on a sec. So, this is it, guys. If you'll notice, can you see it? There's this sample cloth para you can practice, and then there is already the thread and the needle. As in, ready na siya. All you have to do is to plug in. And of course, I have to read first the manual, because matagal na yun. I think that was 3 years ago pa when I tried this kind of sewing machine at hindi talaga ako marunong magtahi, guys. So, I have to read it first, and I will make a new vlog for my first ever, project. Maybe it's a pillowcase or kung ano ba. Yung mga madadali lang naman yung ita-try ko. So, that's it. I'm really happy with this purchase that I have. At mapapakinabangan talaga siya. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you, everyone. God bless. Take care. Bye.